There are two ways to access network adapter setting. First one is control panel, through control panel. Then we will go to network and internet. Then view network status and task. Then here change adapter setting. In adapter setting it is Ethernet adapter. We will go and right click and go in properties. In properties you will see this window. Here it is Internet Protocol version 4. Now we will click here and go its properties. Okay, now what is other way to access is here in network icon. We will press it, then we will go to network setting. In network setting we will go to Ethernet. In Ethernet then change adapter option. In adapter option here you can see Ethernet adapter. Then we will go to properties. In properties we will again go to Internet Protocol version 4. Now there are two ways to put static IP. First way is we press use the following IP address. Okay, now here and we put here like 192.168.255.30. okay, now with this way when you put here IP, only when you will shift your technology, like if now this IP is for FDD, now when you will next time you will go to again login in TDD or link, you should have to change it again. From here you will remove it and put TDD IP again, new IP. But there is another way you can put all IP once and no need to change every time. What is the way? We will go here, use the following IP address and go in advanced. In advanced you will see this window. In this window you will press add. Here you will add all IP once and no need to put every time when you shift your technology. Here you will go to add, and for example FDD IP is 192.168.255.30. okay, and our TDD IP is 192.168.1.20. we will also put this, for example it's our 2G IP is 10.1.1.2. we will put it also here. Now which we required for IP, which static IP we required, all technologies IP we will put here once. Now you can see we have 1, 2 and 3 IP. okay, then okay and okay and okay. Now I put 3 IP here, and each and every time when I shift my technology, no need to put IP again and again. Put all IP once and it's okay. Now you can see all 3 IP here.